Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a website which can index millions of pages in a very short amount of time. So this is actually a website which offers packages which you can purchase so that they can communicate to Google and index your pages in a very short amount of time. So if you doesn't have the time to actually submit a sitemap in Google Search Console and manually index each page, then you can buy this package. I personally tried this website OmegaIndexer and then I'm making this video. I personally tried this 4 to 5 times. My website, blog website, tools websites. I have numerous websites, so it doesn't have the time to index pages. So this is a very good website, OmegaIndexer, a trusted website in the world of SEO. So they have various packages, and the nice thing about this website is that guys, if they unable to index your page, they actually refund your money. So in the landing page, as you see, get index or get refunded. I personally got a sometimes when the page was not indexed, they refunded my money. So in some cases, the pages can't be indexed, so they actually refund the money. And the timeline is very important. Under 24 hours, your pages will be indexed. So you paste your links after you purchase the packages. So the dashboard looks something like this. Once you are inside this, you launch a new campaign. Inside the campaign, you provide the website name and the list of pages that you want to index. After that, under 24 hours, they will actually try to index each page. Um, this is kind of in this interface right here. So it's actually now to get started, you click on start indexing. You click on that. They have various packages that you can try. I simply purchased the basic package which gives you around you can sign in with your Google account. Simply sign up. They just take 2 minutes to do that. So if you have a lot of pages and you are actually not unable to index your site, you can come to this, and this can significantly solve your problems of indexing pages on Google. Because if your website doesn't get indexed, then you can't rank on Google and cannot get traffic. So the very first step is to index your pages. So in that case, this website comes into the picture, OmegaIndexer. So there are various packages, guys. Unfortunately, it's not available for free. So the basic package is $19 each month, and it gives you around 190 credits. So for indexing a single page, it costs you just a single cent. So with this, you will be able to index 190 pages for just $19. I think this is a very good plan. In 190 credits, you will be able to, I think, index over 200 pages because the cost is just a single cent slash credit. So once you are selected, click on next. Simply add your credit card, simply purchase the package. After that, create a campaign, simply enter website and a list of pages that you want to index. And inside 24 hours, your pages will all be indexed. So you can either pay through PayPal or credit or debit card. This is their thing. And click on next. Fill out your information, click on next. So in this easy way, guys, this is the actual website. Once you purchase the membership, you can enter the dashboard area. So dashboard looks something like this. Right here you will see whatever credits refunded will show right here. Number of campaigns, links in queue, links index, everything will show right here. So it's a very nice interface it has. And campaign, you can create this by clicking the create campaign button. You can also import links if you have available in a text file. You can drag and drop that file which contains your website links as well. Just give it a campaign name, and if you want to copy paste the name, as well. Copy paste the links. You can one by one do that very simply like this. So then click on create and run. After that, insufficient credits. So just buy credits, create campaigns, and then you will be able to index all your pages. So it's a trusted website, guys, Omega Index. So definitely check this out.